Were there any particular rituals or traditions that were most important to pass down to your children?
Yes, there's one that was, you might think it's silly, and we do it to this day. And the last time we were able to do it with our daughter at the nursing home, we came down and we did it. It's called Kapores. It may have different pronunciations. I think in one of the Sidurs, it ends with a TH, Kaporeth, Kapporeth. I remember from the time I was 4 years old on Leslie Avenue, my dad would wake me up early in the morning, and then even after school days, before it was time to go to school, he'd say, come on, you have to schluck a porous. That was the expression. He'd put me on a chair, and I would take a few coins in one hand, and when he would say certain prayers, all in Hebrew, when he'd get to a certain part of the prayer, I had to do this 3 times, holding the money in my hand, 1, 2, 3, and would say the Hebrew words, which I can't remember right now. My husband remembers them and does it, and we do it to this day. And we always did it with our children, and when our grandchildren have been with us, which is not too often, they do it. But in the Lubavitch movement, and in the very strong Young Israel too, I believe, they do it with a live chicken. They literally swing the chicken around their heads, and then they chop off its head. And many people are going to eat those chickens, I know that. They don't go to waste. They don't go to waste. They might even be giving them to charity, I don't know. But they definitely don't go to waste. It's a crazy, symbolic thing that we do, and we do it to this day.